Hello everyone! In this short video I show you how you can simply save a plot as PDF with tight borders. So on the left side you can see the plot with default borders, and as you can see here the borders are quite broad. On the right side there is the same plot with tight borders, so you have here just a thin border. And now I want to show you how you can switch from the default option to the tight border option for the PDF. This trick is really useful if you use your plot in a Latex document so that you don't have much empty space and your graphs are just smaller than they really need to be. Okay, for that we just have here a small example. We just import these three packages, we create a simple data frame, and then we just plot our series. To save our plot we can just use the plt.savefig command and we can specify the title of the plot .pdf, and this is just the default output with the thick borders. And down here we actually have the plot with the small borders, and for that we just need to define here the bbox inches equal tight, and this is going to give you the output as I have shown you before. If this video helped in your case as well, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you next time.